Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. We are in the series of Turing Award. In this episode, we are in the year 1986 where the Turing Award is given to scientists, that is John Hopcroft and Robert Tarjan, for fundamental achievements in the design and analysis of algorithms and data structures. Let us discuss about both of these scientists in detail. John Hopcroft is not only a respected researcher but also an inspiring teacher. Each year, the top 20 graduates at Cornell University are asked to name the professor that had the most influence on their education. And you know, John was nominated twice for making this record. He believes that students should be required to take fewer specialist courses. They should be allowed to acquire a broad education and have more free time to learn new things on their own. Hopcroft has been an influential and inspiring PhD advisor to at least 34 students in his career. When looking at his education background, John has completed master's degree and PhD degree from Stanford University in 1962 and 1964 respectively in electrical engineering. After that, he joined Princeton University for 3 years and later moved to Cornell University and remained thereafter. There is a short story in his biography mentioning that he became a computer scientist by accident. The story describes that initially he joined as an assistant professor of electrical engineering at Princeton, but his head of the department asked him to teach a class in computer science. But he had no experience in computer science subject, and based on few research papers, he designed the course and started to teach the first course to 6 bright students, who in turn motivated him to take on this career. He taught that class for several years, but he says that first year was the most enjoyable because he and his few students were feeling their way into unfamiliar territory together. He is an American theoretical computer scientist born on October 7, 1939. He is author for famous textbooks like Theory of Computation, which is also known as Cinderella book, and book on data structures. The next scientist who was awarded the Turing Award along with John Hopcroft is Robert Tarjan. Let's see about Robert Tarjan. Tarjan is known for his pioneer work on graph theory, algorithms, and data structure. Tarjan has written over 250 papers with an co-author of 190 papers and holds 15 patents. Tarjan was born on April 30, 1948 in California. As a child, Tarjan read a lot of science fiction and wanted to become an astronomer. He gradually became interested in mathematics after reading Martin Gardner's Mathematical Games column in Scientific American. Tarjan obtained a bachelor's degree in mathematics from California Institute of Technology in 1969. At Stanford University, he received his master's degree in computer science in 1971 and PhD in computer science in 1972. Tarjan held academic positions at Cornell University, University of California, Berkeley, Stanford University, and New York University throughout his entire career. Tarjan has developed important data structures such as Fibonacci heap. This is all about today's episode. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in another episode of Turing Award series. Till then, Namaste.